I haven't read the reaction of the Pope, but one of the better critics of the church is the Pope himself. He criticizes the members of the church who are engaged in what he perceives to be immorality, which is outside of the teachings of Christ or the internal discipline of the church. Diba? When he addressed those members of the church who could not be celibate to leave the church, he is a critic.
Question? Virgil, okay na? May follow-up ka, Ace?
But it doesn't mean also that when you criticize, you are evil. You're just expressing concern and opposition to certain irregular behavior. Bakit ano ba simba?
Joseph, follow-up, Ina?
Sir, so the president, as far as Malacanang is concerned, you don't think that the president was being alluded to?
No. Baka nga hindi niya kilala si Presidente.
Okay. MPC questions. Mag-last question na tayo? RJ muna and then Joseph.
Sir, mag-o-order daw po ba si Presidente ng manhunt kay Peter Lim?
Hindi ko narinig yung sinabi niya kahapon. But standing order naman is to pursue to the ends of the world those who have violated the laws in this country. Yun naman palagi standing order niya.
Okay, Joseph. Last question na tayo, MPC.
Sir, yung pong kahapon na regarding the budget undersecretary, that was a very colorful story by the president. No? Sinipa niya sa mukha, tapos that's the first time the guards...
Tumatak daw yung ano doon yung Valentino.
Sosyal.
Yun ang sabi ni Bongo eh.
Talaga? Paano? Sige nga.
Hindi. Yung di ba sapatos ni Presidente, meron siyang Marikina shoes. Siguro nagpapadala si Bong. Nandun yun nakita yung durability ng Marikina shoes. Kasi nung sinipa daw, hindi masyadong yung mukha, pero yung tatak daw, naiwan daw yung tatak ng Valentino.
Sa mukha?
yung brand, oh.
Sir, kanino mukha to? Anong pangalan, sir?
Ay, hindi ko alam yung Yusek. Sino bang Yusek na natanggal?
Budget Yusek.
Di ba, I don't remember the name.
Super tagal na ba yun, sir?
Di ba, Yusek ni ano yan eh, ni
Kinikwento
Secretary, yun.
Yung dati pa, this is not a new firing.
He was referring to the previous Yusek.
Is this the same time na Sir, ano lang, yun sa friend, devil, relative. What do you think of it? Do you agree that any critic of the church is a friend, brother, relative?
If I will agree with that, then the Pope would be referring to himself also because he is also a critic. Palagi ko ano lang yun, hyperbole.
Wow, speaking like the president, huh?
Yeah, hyperbole.
Hyperbole.
Kumbaga ano lang niya yun, hindi, when you criticize, you cannot be evil.
So hindi naman na-offend yung palace doon?
No.
Okay.
Si Presidente, di ba ina-assault na lahat ng reputasyon niya. Pinapabayaan niya lang. Okay lang yun.
Sige, sir.